Draw the graph of the pair of linear equations, these equations. Calculate the area of the triangle formed by the lines so drawn on the axis and the axis. So first thing is we need to figure out the coordinates. So let's start off with x plus x minus y plus 2 is equal to 0. Now let's take case for x is equal to 0. Let me not write case, just go with for x is equal to 0, y will be equal to, if I transpose, y will be equal to 2. And for x, so this is basically, let's tabulate it later. So for y is equal to 0, x is minus 2. Then we'll just need one more. For x is equal to 1, then we have 1 plus 2, so that will be y is equal to 3. Okay, so we have 1 minus 3 plus 2 is equal to 0. Yeah, so basically you have, how do you tabulate it? I think we'll tabulate later. Yeah, we can do that later. We'll go with second equation, y minus 4 is equal to 0. So here the smart thing to do is take value for x itself. For x is equal to 0, y is equal to minus 4. Again, you should be that thorough to solve all of this. You can skip the steps. Yeah, this is good enough because it's not a complicated set of equation. This is enough. X is equal to 1. No. Yeah, I think, yeah, that makes sense. X is equal to 1. 4 minus 4 will be 0. So y is equal to 0. That's good. We are getting simple, very simple values. For x is equal to 2. If you feel this is complicated, then we can do systematically. 4 into 2 minus y minus 4. So 8 minus 4 is 4. Minus y is equal to 0. If I transpose y onto the right hand side, it will become positive and 4 will remain there. So that is also positive 4. So y is equal to 4. And now if you guys want to, not want to, you have to tabulate it. So coordinates to plot. So we have, this is equation 1. Equation 2, x and y, x and y. So we have 0 and 2, 0 and minus 2. Hi, how is that possible? Okay, this is 0 and minus 2 and 1 and 3. So this is 2 and 4, and I think 0 and 0 over here. So when y is 0, x is 1. When x is 0, y is minus 4. Okay, makes sense. What else? What else? What else? That's it. Now we have to plot and do things. For that I need a graph sheet, which I don't have as of now. Let me copy and paste it over there. Okay, I have the things ready. So let me make this clear. This is equation 1. This is equation 2. This is for equation 1. And this is for equation 2. So let's look at the value. We have minus 4. So plus 4 maximum along the y, and along the x is 2 and 2. Okay. So we have the values not too high. So we can aram se draw things. Right. First is the origin, x and x dash and y dash. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. I think that's good enough, is it not? So very first thing is we have 0 and 2. right? Equation 1, 0 and 2, 0 and 2 is over here, sorry, it's going the other way around. 0 and 2 is this point, and minus 2 is to the left, 0 is over here itself, 1 is to the right, 3 is up. Okay, yeah, we got a straight line, that's good. Again, always see to that you, as and when you get the points, draw it off. Okay, at one go you should draw. I can't do that on this because I don't have a scale, right? So I'm not able to do that. When you keep a scale, draw it at one go. Don't stop like I did. Then we have 2 and 4. 2 and 4 is over there. Oh, that's good. 1 and 0 is, 1 is to the right, 0 is that point itself. 0 and minus 4. Okay. And now we have, oh yeah, this is equation 1. That is, what is equation 1, guys? X minus y plus 2 is equal to 0. X minus y plus 2 is equal to 0. Okay. And now on to joining things. Right. Okay. So this is your 2, 4. That would be 0, no, 1, 0, minus 2, 0. This is 0, 2. We need to mention, yes, 1, 3. This is 0, minus 4. I think we are done. And yeah, the last equation. So the last equation is what we have: 4x minus y is equal to 4. 4x minus y is equal to 4. Okay, this is a complete graph. And now they're asking for what? They're asking to calculate the area of the triangle formed by the line so drawn and the axis, x-axis. So which is that part? Now that is something that you guys have to help me out with. Okay, so I'm trying to do something over here. Just a second. Yeah, which is that part? So these are the two lines. The area bounded by them is this region. Okay, all of this region, right? But also the x-axis. What does it mean? It is basically this region. Okay, yes, we have to figure out the area of this part. Okay, just a second for ease of, that looks better. Not this, that. We have to figure out that particular area. How will we do that? Quite simple. We just have to find the length of the base. So basically, let me do that with this. Now I can do this. So length of the base, this is the length of the base. Okay, and the height, something like this. Okay, this is what I have to figure out. First, the length. What is the length of the base? Length of the base is from 1 to 2. Minus 2, sorry, not just 2, minus 2. So this is 3 units, 3 centimeter long. And in your graph, this would be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Obviously, 4, right? 4 centimeter high. Okay, so back to your thing. Area of triangle ABC. We need to name it so that your teachers will agree that yes, you have found the area of A, B and C. That is the region that is bounded by the two lines and the x-axis. Okay, that is equal to half into base into height. But base is what? In this case, base is BA. That would be equal to, what is the length? 1 minus of minus 2. 1 minus of minus 2, which is 3. And height is C. We can call this as point P. CP, which is equal to 4 units. 4 minus 0, which is 4 centimeter. And so your area will be what? the simple calculation. So area of the triangle will be equal to half into base, which is 3, into height, that is 4. 6 centimeter square. Okay, that's it. Always write the unit. Okay, yes. So it is a lengthy question, I agree, but not too hard. Very simple question. Always work in a well organized manner. Now pause and have a look at the answer. A small note, I thought I should tell this off. I've taken minus of minus over here. I think this is where you guys go wrong. I'll give a star for this point. See, the point is we have to subtract the coordinates to find the length. That you guys know from coordinate geometry. Right, guys? I not made a mention of all of that, but yeah, I mean, that's the whole funda of finding the length, you know? Yeah, it's over here. If I want to find a length, it is x2 minus x1. Is it not? So that's what I have done over there. Right? If this point was x2 and this point was x1, which it is, by the way. So this length will be x2 minus x1. Same thing with y2 minus y1. So be clear that you need to subtract. And be clear that this length is 3 units, so you have to get 3 units. So any point of time you get confused, use common sense. Okay, I'm looking at 3 centimeter, so yes, this has to be subtracted. Some people end up just subtracting 2 and 1 and some 1 and all of that, 1 centimeter. It should make sense. Use your common sense. Maths paper, you can use your common sense. You need not rely on just on your memory. You can use your common sense. You can rely on your understanding. That's the advantage of math exams, unlike other exams. You know, most of the exams you can't use it to that extent. Of course, you can use it over there also, but not to that extent. But here you can use it in a larger extent. Okay, guys. So yeah, that is one thing.